Hello, uh, my name is Dinesh Kumar. Today I'm going to record my first video related to the Python, whatever the core Python we have discussed here, and we will go day by day by this doc table, doc file we have uh, made it, and we'll discuss each and everything by theoretical way, and then after that, after completion this theory, we will go to the practical sides. So we have to complete this video and series uh, by the by the only theoretical way. Then after we will go. So first of all, we have to go with introduction of Python. So Guido von Rossum has made it this language in 1980s. So this language is used everywhere. You can't say anything, uh, any place has been left out by the Python application. Everywhere is like right now, every new technology, data science, machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, AI, NLP, everything. Whether you can think about Python is there, like web development, cloud computing, or anything else. Everything is applicable Python. Python has a ample amount of application, and even though some other languages are not comfortable to handle the big data kind of things, but Python has a very um, good library to handle all the things. So we have to learn about the first of all, this is the hello world. So how to write in a hello world. You can see about in any other language there is a lot of things to required to write only hello world. But here is the only you have to write print hello world. It will execute you. It will execute for you for hello world. So how can I see? So let's open up any ID. If is it possible? So is it any ID available for me? Jupyter Notebook. We have to open it. And Jupyter Note is available for me or not. Let's try to collab. Google Cloud is the very good tool for the Python developer. It provides us a notebook to the experimentation and get the GPU or all kind of things. Everything they will provide. So is there any? It will take some time, but sooner it will ready for me. Sorry for to execute this command. Let's execute this print hello world. It is very easy. Just you have to write as a English language. So don't worry much of things to put the period. And then what we have got some error here. I think there is a problem regarding to the code and it is working. So just copy it and put it here, the right code one. Or might be you have to write some looping kind of things. It is very easy. Just write for loop and just print what you want. So it will give everything what you need. They don't need require extra such kind of things. So what here they have got. So me absolute error they have defined. I think so. This is not required to write in a beginner level like Python. So, so what do I do? So they have written here how to write formatting kind of things and how to define our integer or not this. So we can write also how to absolute, how to convert any uh, given number to absolute number. And then we have to there first of all we have to format it. Here is not working, but here is working. I don't think so. Why? Types of object and advantage.